The TRUEPASS Suture Passer offers an easy-to-use and reliable method of passing sutures through the rotator cuff. The self-capture door in the upper jaw of the device makes the suture passing step technically easier by allowing for simultaneous suture passing and retrieval. This feature removes the technical challenge of retrieving the suture when faced with an obscured view or limited access to the repair site. Protective polymer coating on the disposable needle provides smooth passage through tissue. Simple to load, operate, and manage sutures. Smooth rear handle deployment allows for simple and intuitive one-handed operation. The following technique animation using the TRUEPASS Suture Passer with self-capture demonstrates the repair of an L-shaped tear in the supraspinatus tendon by means of margin convergence and a laterally placed suture anchor. Margin convergence will be undertaken first, using sequentially placed side-to-side sutures. Load a single strand of blue Ultra Braid Gauge 2 suture into the loading slot at the front end of the lower jaw, ensuring that the suture is pulled all the way back into the suture loading channel. The closed jaw is ready for entry into the shoulder joint through the lateral portal. Position the jaws of the TRUEPASS on the tendon at the desired place for passing, then ratchet the jaws closed. Squeeze and release the rear handle to deploy the needle and capture the suture in the self-capture upper jaw. The suture remains held in the upper jaw. Press the button to release the ratchet mechanism of the jaw. Remove the TRUEPASS Suture Passer from the lateral portal. Release the suture from the self-capture mechanism by pulling the suture through the side window on the upper jaw. The passed suture limb is then shuttled through the joint and moved to the anterior portal. Using the TRUEPASS Suture Passer, pass the other end of the blue Ultra Braid suture in the same way and adjacent to the first passed suture. Ensuring that both limbs of the blue Ultra Braid suture are exiting out of the lateral portal, an arthroscopic sliding knot is tied, bringing the edges of the tear together. Moving laterally down the tear, a second blue Ultra Braid side-to-side suture is placed and tied. Margin convergence has now been achieved. To complete the repair, one biocomposite helicoil Regenisorb suture anchor is placed on the lateral aspect of the greater tuberosity. Placing the anchor is done through a superior lateral portal. First, the bone is prepared by using the helicoil Regenisorb threaded dilator. Then, the helicoil Regenisorb suture anchor is inserted down to the laser marking. The inserter is removed, leaving the sutures exiting the superior lateral portal. 2 blue and 1 co-braid Ultra Braid suture limbs are retrieved and moved to the anterior portal. 1 co-braid Ultra Braid suture limb is retrieved through the lateral portal and then passed through the tendon using the TRUEPASS Suture Passer. The second limb of co-braid suture is retrieved through the lateral portal, where an arthroscopic knot is tied to achieve the first simple suture repair. Repeating the previous step with the remaining blue Ultra Braid suture, a second simple suture repair is achieved. The entire repair is now complete.